Ask a grown-up for some old clothes or material that they aren't using anymore. Here are 3 fun things to make. You can turn a ripped-up old t-shirt into a beanbag in a few simple steps. You will need an old t-shirt, uncooked rice, scrap wool and a needle, leftover paper plates, and a felt tip pen. Lay out your material on a flat surface and ask your grown-up to cut out a rectangle shape. You can save the t-shirt for other fun projects. Fold the material in half, take the needle and some wool, and ask a grown-up to help you sew around the outside of your fabric, making sure there are no gaps. When you have sewn all but one side, take your rice and fill your bag about halfway. Then fold in the open side and sew around the outside, making it secure. You don't want any rice falling out. Now we have a beanbag, but what about creating a game to play with it? Take your old paper plates or any other scrap paper will do, and write scores on each of them. Lay them out, making sure the highest score is furthest away, and see how many points you get. Check out these projects to make with old material. Take a rectangular piece of scrap material and fold it in half so the wrong side is facing up. Ask your grown-up to help you as you carefully sew along the long end and the short end, like this. This is called a running stitch. Don't sew the open end just yet. Turn the fabric inside out and fold in the frayed edge, laying the material out in front of you. Then take some scrap ribbon and lay it across the material, making sure it's in the middle. Get your grown-up to sew the ribbon into one side, like this. Turn your bag the other way round, fold the open flap down one more time and tie the ribbon in a bow. And there you go! You've created a handy bag from some old scrap material. Or why not make these easy, pretty flowers from some spare scraps of material? Cut out 4 different pieces of fabric, making sure they're all different sizes. These will make the petals. Don't worry about making them too neat. Then, place them all together from biggest to smallest and get your grown-up to use some old wool to sew through the centre of your flower shape. You could always add a bead here as a centre to your flower, but you don't need one. And there you go, you've started to create some flowers.